what that does is very quickly it creates a little tuft of grass or some other little plant that has shadow side and light side. Without much effort at all, I can create all these little plants in there. Because it's kind of a strong line all the way down, almost a straight line down. So just to give that a little bit of a break, I pulled the shadow down in a little bit farther and made that so it's kind of like a hill right here, and then it goes up again.